Today, we're becoming software archaeologists, digging into unfamiliar code. It's time to grab our tools.
Yeah, we've all been there, right? Staring at a wall of code, wondering where to even start. So here's the plan. We're going to start small with a single line, then zoom all the way out. All right, first up, let's dive in at the micro level, tracing how a program actually runs. This is all about building a mental map of what's happening behind the scenes. Tools like Python Tutor actually let you see this in action. Let's watch a simple program execute. Okay, see that? The program gives both X and Y the string hello. They're independent copies. Now watch. When X changes, Y stays the same. That's a super important concept to get. Okay, let's zoom out from single lines and look at how the different parts connect. So a flat list shows you what's installed, but a dependency tree shows you why it's there. All right, time to zoom out even further and uncover the software's high-level blueprint. This basically looks at both the source code and how that code behaves when it's actually running. Frameworks like Kieker use a pipeline to turn all that code and data into a visual model. But a model's no good if you can't read it. The right tools really do turn chaos into clarity. So we've got the blueprint. Now, where are the parts that are slowing everything down? Let's find out.
Enter the flame graph. It's an awesome way to see exactly where your code is spending its time.
It's pretty simple, really. Just look for the widest bars. Those are your performance hotspots.
Okay, let's pull it all together. Here's a quick look at your new code analysis toolkit.
Think of this as your cheat sheet. It'll help you pick the right tool for the job. So now you've got the strategies. What tangled codebase are you going to tackle next? Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this explainer, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Tech Talk 101.